Alright, so here in Ohio, it's really hot, so if you want to put a new part on your car, you gotta do it really quick. So we're gonna see how quick we can put my SVE short throw dipstick in. And we'll see how much different it is. It's got a shift handle with it, but I think it'll probably hit my radio. So I'm gonna try and do it in 20 minutes. So here we go. Let's hope this works out. Actually, let me restart that. There we go. Now it makes sense. So first off, this has to come out, which isn't too hard because with this many miles, it's going to come out real easy. And if you've noticed already, I got a lot of duct tape in here to get rid of rattles. It looks nasty. Don't judge. So yeah, that has to come out. Duct tape's got to go out the window. Alright, so the bolts are out. Now I gotta take this handle off.
Hey Xander, look. It's very appealing.
I agree 100%.
So do you put another sealant on it, or
Yeah.
do you have it?
They have gasket maker. I'm gonna use it. I'll probably buy the actual gasket whenever I buy the door lock. So.
You had a better luck with the other side. Oh,
Yeah.
I lied. Slowly but surely coming off. Sealant.
So the original one, it's like, it's just very floppy and awful. So this one don't need it. So
I hope you really didn't need that and you just...
now I have to put sealant around the outside of this so that I can put the new one on, and then we'll be good to go. We'll see what this is like.
Ew, I just touched that. Why did I
Don't
touch that?
it.
Well, I did, and I didn't know I shouldn't have.
It's gross.
Can I have a rag? What is it?
Grease.
Gross. This is why I don't do car things.
It took it from being down here to being up here, so it is quite a bit shorter compared to before. And honestly, I may just leave this handle on. It's not hitting that bad compared to the old one. The old one was the Steeda Triax shifter, which was obviously aftermarket because of Steeda, but I put it on there because the original owner took the factory handle off of my car, and they put a, well, they didn't even put anything on it. They put a stupid looking shift knob on it that you buy at Walmart for like $5, and they cut the threads off so that it'd be shorter and wouldn't hit the cup holder, which isn't a bad idea, but you could also spend a couple extra bucks and you know, buy an actual shifter, shift knob, shift handle, shift anything. Anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed the video. It took 37 minutes with everything that happened and trying to figure out where everything was. So for not doing this before, didn't turn out too bad. So anyways, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please feel free to browse the channel, check out new videos for see what I do with this lovely Mustang with too many miles and a lot of oil leaking. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.